Hello, Assalamualaikum. Hey. Yeah, my name is Marina Artiasa, and I want to share about capacitor, the capacitor. Capacitor is one of the type component electronic that have function for keep electrons in brackets time certain. It could also be said as component lots of electronic use for keep cargo electricity. This is the capacitor. This is the tantalum. This is trimmer. Aluminum and ceramic and thin film. Maybe you already see in everyday life in circuit. Component capacitor is often called with conductor that has one of the passive nature. Usually load used in make series electronic with is capacitance, namely farad. Term unit capacitor taken from name inventor himself named Michael Faraday, who came from England. However, farad is large unit, so in general capacitor used in equipment electronic, namely reduced farad unit, so picofarad, nanofarad, and microfarad. This for conversion in farad. You can see 1 farad is 1 million microfarad, 1 microfarad at 1000 nanofarad, 1 microfarad is 1 million picofarad, and 1 nanofarad is the same 110 picofarad. You can see this is the capacitor function. Capacitor in series device electric very needed a component electronic. Meanwhile, function capacitor alone set with two. Fixed capacitor and capacitor that capacity variable. Now you can see this. There is number of type capacitor that exist in this world, such as capacitor electrolyte, capacitor electrostatic, and capacitor electrochemistry. The following is explanation about 3 type capacitor among other. This is the capacitor electrolyte. This is a capacitor that is from electrolysis that have the positive and negative. You can see this is positive, negative. This is symbol. This capacitor electrolyte is from metal oxide. Lapisan. And then capacitor electrostatic. Why cannot translate? I don't know. Beside electronic, there is a capacitor electrostatic made from ceramic, film, and mica. But there is also many that use for ceramic and mica because it's cheaper and easy to get. This capacitor is don't have positive and negative. Non-polar. No polarity. You can see this is the example, but you can see the value in everybody. And then capacitor chemistry. This type of capacitor is electrochemistry that you can have from the liquid of the chemistry. This component that usually you know about electronic component is like battery aki. This is because that battery and aki have the leak of ampere arus that very low, and the capacitance is quite big. You can see this is the battery. This is a cell. Plates. This is separator, this is the case, and then cell partition, cover, and then terminal point. This is the symbol of capacitor. And then this is the formula of capacitor, yeah. This is capacitor in farad, yeah. This is the amount of the electricity in coulomb, and then this is the voltage in volt, yeah. And yeah, why it don't translate, yeah. Oh my god, this is already like this, yeah. You can see. And then this is example, yeah. This is also in series, yeah. Oh, I have to translate this, yeah. Reading capacitance, yeah, but it cannot be translated. Okay. Maybe later, yeah, I will see you again. Okay. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay.